The Toyota trouble code P0171 indicates System 2 lean, bank 1. This means that the engine's air-fuel mixture is too lean, meaning there's too much air and not enough fuel in the combustion process on bank 1, the side of the engine containing cylinder 1. Possible causes. 1. Vacuum leaks. Leaks in the intake manifold, vacuum hoses, or PCV system can cause unmetered air to enter the engine. 2. Dirty or faulty mass airflow sensor. If a contaminated or malfunctioning MAF sensor may send incorrect airflow readings to the ECU. 3. Faulty oxygen O2 sensor. A bad upstream O2 sensor can provide inaccurate data about the air-fuel ratio. 4. Clogged or dirty fuel injectors. If injectors are clogged, they may not deliver enough fuel. 5. Weak fuel pump or low fuel pressure. A failing fuel pump or faulty fuel pressure regulator can result in insufficient fuel delivery. 6. Exhaust system leaks. Leaks before the O2 sensor can allow extra air to enter and skew sensor readings. 7. Faulty engine coolant temperature sensor, ECT. Incorrect temperature readings can affect the air-fuel mixture. Symptoms. Check engine light CL. Illuminated. Reduced fuel efficiency. A rough idle or engine hesitation. Loss of power under acceleration. Stalling at low speeds or idle. Diagnostic and fix. 1. Inspect for vacuum leaks. Check the intake manifold, hoses, and PCV system for cracks or leaks. 2. Clean or replace the MAF sensor. Clean the sensor with MAF cleaner or replace it if defective. 3. Check the oxygen sensors. Test the upstream O2 sensor and replace it if necessary. 4. Examine the fuel system. Check fuel pressure and inspect injectors for clogs. Clean or replace injectors as needed. 5. Check the exhaust system. Look for leaks before the O2 sensor and repair them. 6. Inspect the ECT sensor. Test and replace it if it's providing incorrect readings. 7. Scan for additional codes. Use an OBD2 scanner to detect related codes that might pinpoint the issue further. If you're not comfortable diagnosing or repairing the issue yourself, it's best to take the car to a qualified Toyota mechanic for a thorough inspection and repair.